actually 5 p.m. Manila time, no, or 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So welcome to everyone. Okay, let's start with our news today. So let's look at what's the news and what are the updates as of today. Let's look at what's in the headline. I'm sure you guys have already seen the tweet of Elon Musk about Tesla suspending vehicle purchases using Bitcoin. He said that he's actually rapidly concerned on the increasing fossil fuels. 61,500 retweets and quote tweets 42,600. To know about this information is that we Tesla, Michael Saylor has actually commented, sabi niya, ironic because there's no incremental energy used in Bitcoin. The cryptocurrency tweet of Elon Musk. There's also obviously another headline in Support the Guardian, issues right now in terms of, Elon Musk tweeting again, no, sobrang daming headline on this. Elon Musk says Tesla will no longer accept Bitcoin due to fossil fuel used. Sobra. And then this really created a lot of issues in terms of our, BTC cryptocurrency, no. So from a cryptocurrency standpoint, let's look at BTC. What happened with this particular cryptocurrency after nung nag-tweet siya, no? Look at this, guys. Look at this, right? So, um, within this day, nag-plummet siya sa almost 46,000 US dollar Tether. Galing siya sa 60, bumaba nag-open siya ng 54,855. After nung tweet niya, look at that, guys, no? Look at that. That's a very ugly chart na meron tayo so far. And then if we look into the 15 minutes chart, maraming na liquidate dito, no? Sobrang pangit ng chart, pero at least nagre-recover na ngayon, no? Look at this, the time that he tweeted, look at that chart, right? Let's close the RSI at this point. The time that he tweeted, this is very crazy. I mean, and you guys know that Elon Musk, meron siyang SEC investigation of market manipulation most recently because yung mga tweets niya, right, is actually influencing, it's actually influencing several investors, etc., 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 right? So, it's a very ugly chart, but looking forward for the improvement for BTC. Is it something that could cause demotivation sa mga investors? Yes, of course, no, but is this something that could be the end of BTC? I don't think so, right? Basically, there's a catalyst kaya bumaba yung price ng Bitcoin. And I'm not necessarily convinced that it could further go down. In fact, couple of hours lang nagre-recover na siya. No? So I think, and I was actually sending this message sa Discord kanina. Ang sarap mag-shorting dito, no? So nakumita tayo dito kanina before I sleep. In couple of minutes, I think are earned around, ano lang naman, mga $13. Kumita tayo ng $13 dito when we were doing our futures kanina before tayo matulog. And I sent that. Sabi ko sa mga nasa Discord kanina, mag-sell short na kayo. Right? Sell short already kapag ganyang may negative catalyst. And true enough, maraming kumita kanina. So congratulations kung nakasakay ka. And always make sure you have your stop losses, huh? Always make sure you have your stop losses, okay? And then let's talk about the other news today. Of course, we have Bitwise launches ETF of 30 pure play crypto firms like Coinbase, MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy is a company that's actually owned by the guy I mentioned earlier, no? So si Michael Saylor. So really a good guy, really well known to the industry. So kinalaban niya yung in fact, anong nangyari diyan nung nag-tweet siya, no? Nag-tweet si Elon Musk 8 hours ago. Si Michael Saylor nag-tweet din siya sa Twitter handle niya, sabi niya, I love Bitcoin. Because he's a heavy Bitcoin investor, no? So he tweeted, and I think a lot of people followed him as well, no? So that's why actually Bitcoin is recovering right now. So follow Michael Saylor, follow him in your Twitter handle so you'll be updated with more information. Okay? And then okay, so BTC has recovered. Ano yung mga other news natin, no? Yan. So Solana secures $60 million fund to drive growth in emerging markets. Guys, if you don't know who Solana is, I actually created a video on last week, no, yung May 2021 altcoins to invest, no? And Solana is actually one of that. And I also have Matic and AAV. Okay. And then another one, MoneyGram to allow Bitcoin buying and selling across retail. This is really good, guys. This is really, really good, no? This is a really good information because MoneyGram is a really big firm, and now they're allowing retailing and selling, parang coins.ph, no? Now they're allowing retailing and selling of Bitcoin across their network. So this is really a good news. More people to have access, no? People, if you're not a Binance trader or a Coinbase trader, and you just really wanted to trade coins and you wanted to hodl, then use these types of companies like MoneyGram, CoinsPH, etc., as your trading wallet, right? Okay, another one is, yeah, and so a lot of people are bringing NFTs or non-fungi tokens, right? So guys, this is really the hit name of the game, no? So when you actually go to Binance, right, and when you actually go to markets, you will see that there's actually a lot of innovation zones right now in the market, no? Look at the market currency, and then you will actually see that from a market perspective, nag-read lang yung screen natin, no? But if you look at market and look at innovation zone, you will actually see na marami na ngayong mga NFT sila, no, from a zone perspective, and they wanted to bring in the traders within their network, no. Okay, and then let's quickly review our coins performance for the past 24 hours. Let's just quickly refresh this, and then we will have the information. Okay, just quickly checking this, guys. So just give me a second. Marami tayong nakabukas na information today. That's why it's kind of lagging. Okay, so Bitcoin, obviously, it dropped, 11.59% within the past 24 hours. Past 7 days, pangit ang performance ni Bitcoin, 11.52. Kung gaano naman ang binaba ng Bitcoin, dun lumalaban sa Ethereum, number 2 still, no? Almost half a trillion market capitalization. Bitcoin, kahapon it was 1 trillion, now they're down to 941 billion. Binance Coin is still steady at number 3. Tether nag number 4. Dogecoin went down a bit. It's already 0.41, no? There's a lot of people thinking that Dogecoin could be the next coin that Tesla will support. Okay? That's why they kind of wanted to say Bitcoin is not the coin that they want. And guys, you need to understand in Tesla right now, from their board of directors, medyo malaki yung pressure na nare-receive ni Elon, no, because Tesla is not necessarily a profitable, although they are solar, they are green energy solar cars, but there's a lot of people who are getting marami pa rin sa traditional world kasi ang hindi nag-accept ng Bitcoin definition, no? They don't want to embrace like si Shark Tank investor si Kevin O'Leary, right? Very good shrewd investor. Sabi niya, I don't believe in Bitcoin. So marami pa rin sa industries ang di bumibelieve not believing in Bitcoin. That's why I think he's getting a lot of pressure from his board of directors in Tesla today. Okay, and marami nagsasabi na it could be the next coin that he will support, Dogecoin, because it is his coin, no? Nakakatawa kasi kanina si co-founder ng Ethereum, the Mr. Letter V, no, nag-publish siya na he's actually donating his Ethereum na wallet to India COVID impacted folks, no? And then itong si Elon, he stole the show. Sabi, ayaw magpatalo ni Kuya Elon eh. Sabi, pagka-post ni Ethereum founder, siya naman nag-tweet naman siya about dun sa gusto niyang bitawan si BTC agad-agad, 'di ba? So I think there's really some, cryptic messages here that we need to understand. And there's also some people na nagsasabi na baka naman na na-hack lang yung Twitter handle ni Elon, because in fact hindi naman siya nagre-reply sa mga information sa baba, right? Even TradingView, right? Look at TradingView responded to him, right? So look at these types of response na nakukuha niya. And to be honest, I don't think this is helping him. I think he has a good credibility, but with these types of tweets na biglaan na lang. And by the way, this is for me, this is not the right this is not the right platform to impact a coin. Sobrang bilis niya magpababa ng coin, bilis niya magpataas. So bilang beginner, bilang investor, ang kailangan yung gawin, guys, ganito, no. Pag may negative catalyst kayo na nakikita na ganyan, no, abangan nyo agad mag-sell short kayo. Okay, then of course put your stop losses there in case tumaas. Huwag niyo muna lagyan ng margins, no? Huwag niyo muna lagyan ng leverage. Just put 5x muna para sobrang lapad ng liquidations niyo. Huwag kayo ma-liquidate agad. And it would further go down. Trust me, that's gonna be a workable solution, no? Ayun, kung meron namang positive catalyst, like sinabi niya na Dogecoin is gonna be up, pinalit niya yan tomorrow, then abang kayo sa future sa taas, no? Okay, sa Doge. Because Doge is actually down at 0.41 right now. Okay? Okay, yon. So that's gonna be our news today. Another news is Coinbase and SoftBank back 26 million funding for Brazilian crypto asset manager Hashdex. Valid points MEV on Ethereum 2.0. Guys, the Ethereum 2.0 is actually a plan way back 2017. I know this because I'm a crypto miner, no? And sabi nila ang plan was supposed to happen May of 2021. It's already middle of May. So my take on this on Ethereum 2.0, it's actually still happening. It's actually starting, no? But ang long-term play kasi ng Ethereum 2.0, two years from now before we fully felt na bilang miner dapat proof of stake na, hindi na siya proof of work, no? The way we mine is going to be proof of staking already. If you don't know what proof of staking is, punta kayo sa video ko. I created a video on proof of stake. That's gonna be the new way to start mining. Basically, they gather money or coins, and they create a minimum amount of coin. For example, for you to be a proof of stake miner sa Ethereum, you need 34 Ether. Okay? And then you need a very strong supercomputer validator. And then, kaya nga si Binance minsan, sinasabi niya sa inyo, okay, I need your money on DeFi 23% staking. Ang babalik sa inyo 23%. So he's gathering money para ma-stake niya ang inyong fund into that proof of staking, and they're being paid by the Ethereum network X amount of fees, no? Bilang bayad sa kanila when they're actually doing proof of stake. So more on that, guys. Look at my video. I created a very good video on what is proof of staking and what is staking. Okay? And then, yeah, Ethereum touches a 500 billion market. Actually, this was yesterday. But I think they're down again. No, they're actually down again to almost 447 billion. Guys, alam nyo ba, this is a trivia for you, ha. Si Ethereum is a company bigger than Visa right now. Okay? This company is even bigger than a company called Visa. You know Visa yung nasa credit cards ninyo, right? Ethereum Visa. This company is bigger right now than Visa, and that it speaks volumes of what a cryptocurrency company can do. Imagine mo itong si Vitalik, ang company na pinagmamayarian niya is even bigger than, one of the biggest, if not the biggest, card company or card retail and, institutional card company in the world, diba? So that's really big, no? And something for you guys to know na right now, $500 billion market capitalization. That's really, really enormous. Okay? Ayan. So, let me look for that news, no? Ayan. For example, Ethereum touches 500 billion market capitalization for the first time, overtaking JP Morgan and Visa. That is really big, right? This is really big. So, they already have, tinalo na nila yung malaking bank, which is JP Morgan, and you are a cryptocurrency. What does that mean to you, no? If you are kung ikaw Pilipino, you are an investor, stockholder, coin holder ka ng second largest cryptocurrency in the world, even bigger than JP Morgan and Visa. Is that something that you could invest long term? Type below if you agree. Type yes below if you agree. Comment yes if you agree. 'Di ba? I mean that's really really big, If you wanted to look for, kanina may nag-chat sa akin ng taga Barco, sabi niya, coach, sabi niya, I don't always have internet, sobrang mahal ng internet sa Barco. Ano ba yung pwedeng long-term investment? Of course, we said na we're not your financial advisor. We just do trade at your own risk. Pero ang siste diyan, kapag ang ini-investan mo is one of the biggest, right? One of the biggest companies in terms of market capitalization, talo pa yung JP Morgan and Visa. What would you guys think of? 'Di ba? So, I think this particular trend ni BTC would only hurt BTC. No, but sa mga nakakuha ng aking live yesterday about the coin flow discussion, diniscuss ko yan yung stock and flow model ni Bitcoin. Nasa gitna kasi tayo ng every 4 years na nag-halving si Bitcoin. So I expect this to go down, pero magre-recover yan by 2024. Sorry, by next year, they're actually forecasting, based on that model, this is on their model, the stock and flow model, research nyo yan, they're forecasting Bitcoin to go as high as $100,000 per coin. So based on that model, kasi tama yung model eh. They were able to forecast the Bitcoin to be around 2,000 early part of 2021 after the halving na nangyari last year, no? The next halving will happen by 2024, okay? Kasi yung una 2012, 2016, 2020, then 2024, okay? Okay, just look into that and I think that's going to be a good information to know. And then just quickly going to the liquidations kahapon, let's see Bitcoin, how many got liquidated? Let's open this right now. And this is always my reminder to people, no? Always make sure you put your stop losses para meron kayong protection in terms of liquidations. Let's click at liquidations right now. Okay, liquidations. Wow, people in Bybit got liquidated almost 250 million within the past 24 hours. Almost. Let's look into this. No, let's look at the Let's look at the liquidations calendar. See, oh my god, oh my good lord, look at that. Almost 348 million dollars got liquidated. Yes, kanina. Look at this. No, look at this calendar. It's just crazy, crazy, crazy. And then people nag-abang siguro tong mga naka-green, nag-abang tumaas, kumita rin sila on buying long, 'di ba? But look at this, guys. So $343 million got liquidated. Another candle, $303 million got liquidated. This is an hour interval. Okay, another one is $143 million got liquidated. This is almost $1 billion got liquidated in an instant. So guys, this is how you need to be very careful. Kahit kumikita ka na sa iyong futures, papakitain ka niyan, you can be addicted. But if you don't put your stop losses, dapat ang stop loss nyo pag nag-futures kayo dapat higher than your liquidation. Diba? This is crazy, my God. 357 million got liquidated in all of the platforms, no? And then when we click into the um, when you click into the exchanges, so Bybit, ang laki, OKEx, Huobi Global, Binance, BitMEX. So far, si Bitfinex, ang dami nag-green, no? So, good, good, good. I think there are a lot of quants there and good, mathematicians that could anticipate those future buy long, okay? So this is really good, guys. Good information for you to know. Now let's go to our Q&A portion. Let me just quickly open up our screen. Okay. All right. Let me quickly open our screen here. The questions that we have so far. And just give me a second. Okay. Okay, puro yes ha. Puro yes. Okay. Watching habang naguhugas ng plato, si Gian Avenue. Okay, let's go for our question and answer today. Okay, so normal lang po bang pagka bumaba ang Bitcoin dominance, alt season, pababa na rin si Bitcoin? Well, in general pwede, pero don't take it as a blanket statement, no? Kasi may kanya-kanyang laro ang mga altcoins, no? Depende sa mga, for example, sa news ko kanina. For example, nakakita kayo ng ganitong information sa news about Coinbase, right? Or sorry, about let's open Solana, for example, right? They could have their own they could have their own positive catalyst, no? And Solana is obviously an alternative token or coin, no? Another one is for NFTs, no? Non-fungi tokens, right? Not necessarily. Another one is Polygon Matic. Guys, diniscuss ko din yan, Polygon Matic, no? So when you all look into that, you know, pwede mong generally to look at it, but don't look at it on a very blanket statement kasi may kanya-kanya pa ring laro 'yan, no? Si Ethereum ang second lagi kay Binance, and I think that when Bitcoin is down, that's an opportunity for people to shift, lalo na yung mga retailers, to shift into the altcoin business. Kasi marami nasunog. Siguro marami nagho-hold ngayon sa Bitcoin because ang laki ng binaba, no? And ang tagal niya nang bumaba sa 40s level, and just because of this tweet, ang dami bumaba, 'di ba? So, something for us to be mindful of, okay? Okay. Let's quickly go on. Uh, Okay, this is our market overview. Okay, and then when you look into the 24-hour change, okay, so we have a lot of currencies here na nagkaroon ng increase, no? Almost 110%, another increase there, 64% for nano. If you guys wanted to look for, your particular coins na pwede nyo i-trade na merong bullishness, no? Just look for these, just sort it out based on 24-hour change. Yon. So let's go to the next question. Let's go to the next question. Okay. Okay, let's go down. Puwede po ba kayong gumawa ng sample EMA 100 from your FB post? The chart is still bullish and it's still above EMA. Okay. Okay, that's a good question. Sige, gawa natin 'yan, no? Okay. Gawa tayo dito ng ETC. Lagyan natin 'to ng indicators, EMA, exponential. Gawin natin siyang 100. Okay, not the volume. Let me look into the 1 day. Okay. Ayan guys, so nakikita ninyo, no? So, let's go for Ethereum. Sorry, let's go with Ethereum. USD. Ayan, okay. So, guys, yung mga nakikita ninyong mga downward trends, no? Okay. Yung mga downward trends because naka-zoom in kayo sa lower time frame. Okay? Pag sinabi kong bullish, ang EMA 100 kasi ito yung line na nagsasabi kung yung chart ba is kung yung trend within the past 3 months, is it still a bullish coin? Kapag nasa taas yung candles ninyo ng EMA 100, that is bullish within the past 3 months. Lagyan natin ng EMA 50. Gawin natin EMA 30, which is 30 days. Ayan. Mataas pa din siya within 30 days. So it's still a bullish, no? Pero pag bumaba kasi kayo, minsan nakikita ng mga tao, okay, let's try Dodge, okay? Let's try Dodge. Let's do Ayan, okay. For 30 days, it's already becoming bearish. It will already break out sa 30 days. Okay, it will already break out sa 30 days. And we were doing this earlier when I did the 1 hour time frame. I think I made this chart. Yan. Ginawa natin itong chart na to kanina, no? Kasi may mga nagko-question sa akin kanina dun sa Facebook post natin din na ano ba yung RSI? Ano ba itong sinasabi ni Coach? Para maunawaan din ninyo, no? When we look at the RSI, let's look at the RSI of, okay. Let's do RSI 30. Naka 1 hour tayo. Okay. Ayan. Okay. Alright. So, I think I also saved a screenshot of that. Hanapin natin. I hope it's here. I don't think it's here. So, but, yeah. So, I was saying kanina, guys, na kapag ang chart, kunyari itong part na to, okay, bumaba siya. Let's make it 1 hour. Yeah, let's make it 1 hour. It's fine. Okay. So, di ba bumaba na tong stock na to? Di ba? Bumaba siya dito. So, from here, from 0.41, bumaba siya ng 0.19, no? Nangyayari yung mga ganyang situation sa coins, no? But it doesn't mean that the coin would further go down, no? Ang reason kasi ng mga ganyan, if you've noticed, yung RSI 30 days niya, if you go at 1 day, okay, at this particular time, overbought na siya eh. 'Di ba? Sabi ko parabolic yan kanina. Overbought na yan. Pag ganyan na ang RSI mo at 90 ka na, RSI 30 ha, yung default kasi ng RSI nyo sa Binance, it's RSI 6. So, kailangan yung baguhin ng 30 days yon, okay? Pag ganyan na, pag RSI daily ganyang kataas, tapos pumunta ka ng weekly sa time frame, makita tayo ng weekly. Ayan, tinan mo. Nakita nyo? RSI weekly already 94. Ganyan na katataas, 93. Ang kailangan yung gawin dyan, pag ganyan nakatataas yung RSI ng mga coins ninyo, pwede kayong bumili pero wag kayong mag-iiwan more than 1 day because there's a tendency for the coin to go down because super parabolic na siya. Okay? Parabolic meaning, 'di ba sabi ko sa inyo merong parabolic scalping. You could scalp within the day. Pwede ring within, actually pwede kayong mag day trading, no? So for example, tinuro ko yan sa inyo within 1 hour, 'di ba? So, palakihin natin 'to. Makinig kayo mabuti ha, kasi marami may tanong dito eh. So kunyari, this is already April 15 ng alas 8 ng gabi. Okay, alas 8 to ng gabi, no? So day trading is day trading, what does that mean? So day trading means you could earn within hours, no? Within the day, no? Ayan, so 72 yung RSI, okay? So let's click on RSI. Ayan, guhitan natin RSI 72. Okay, naka-daily tayo ha. 1 hour tayo tapos RSI 30 ha. Okay, 72, okay, 73. Tapos ang candle niya nandito. Okay? Yan yung candle, 'di ba? Okay. So by rule of thumb, kapag day trading, dapat mga 1 hour, 2 hours, kikita ka na, no? So angat tayo ng 2 hours, price range, magde-date range tayo. Date range from here, pumasok tayo dyan to, uh, let's say, yan, sabihin mo 4 hours. Sabihin mo ng 4 hours lang, okay? Mag 4 hours tayo, okay? And then hanggang, lakihan natin to para makita ninyo. Ayan. 4 hours lang ha. 4 hours. So, hanggang sa candle na to. Make sense? You're following, guys? Type yes kung nakaka-follow. Type yes sa baba para juicy pa din ng topic natin, please. Okay? Alright? So, okay. So, kapag, day trading, di ba? So, 72. Ang sabi ko sa inyo, pag parabolic trading or parabolic scalping, dapat naka-parabolic na siya, no? Dapat nag-start ka ng 72, 73. Okay? Alright. So, angat tayo ng 4 hours, no? Ano ang RSI ng ika-4 na candle 4 hours? Nasa, ano na siya? Nasa 81, no? 81 or something. Or sabihin mo ng 80, no? Pero sabi ko sa inyo, pag pumasok kayo ng 72, okay? Huwag nyo nang patagalin. Lumabas na kayo ng 77. Right? Within the day. 1 hour din naman yun eh. 'Di ba? Pumasok kayo dito sa candle na to. This is alas 7 ng gabi. Labas kayo ng alas 10 ng gabi. 3 oras, that's already day trading, 'di ba? Okay? Pag ginawa natin 'yon, okay? Pag ginawa natin yung parabolic na 'yon, 'di ba nagsisend ako sa inyo ng mga ng mga screener, gamitin niyo 'yon, right? So naka-day 'yon. So hanap kayo ng ganyan, tapos paglagay niyo ng 72, and 72, okay, pasok kayo sa candle na to. Naka 1 hour ha, day trading ha. Lalabas kayo, let's say, sa 76, okay? 76, no? So, dito yan sa candle na yan. Okay, dito yan sa candle na yan. So, ano na ang kinita niyan? In couple of hours lang. Price range natin, no? From 72 to here, that's already 23.8%. In how many hours? In 2 hours. Diba? 23.8%. Parabolic play. Day trading. Okay? The same drill, if you wanted to do scalping, okay? Pero type yes kung naunawaan ha, guys. This is a simple explanation. Parabolic day trade, okay? By means of using RSI. Pero ang post ko kanina sa Facebook, kapag ang dalawang RSI is above 80 on daily and weekly, wag po tayong mag-iiwan ng pera, masusunog po kayo. Okay? Look at what have happened here. Okay, tingnan natin ha. Explain ko sa inyo. Okay, explain ko sa inyo ha. Okay. Okay. RSI 30, mag 1 day tayo. 1 day. Okay. RSI 30, di ba? 1 day. Okay. Yung RSI niya 89 na. Above 80 na, correct? Guys, RSI sa around April 20, no? Pag nag-week tayo dyan, week, okay, April 20, lagyan na, let's look for April 20. Okay. April 20 yan, around this time. It's already 92. 92. Right? 92. So, malamang sa malamang, pagkatapos niyan, bababa yung coin. Right? Ayan po ang trabaho ni coin. Bakit siya bumababa, guys? Not because, based on historical charts natin, kapag ang coin, matagal na siya nagpa-panic buying, kailangan maghanap ng support, kailangan niya magkaroon ng tuntungan. Hindi siya pwedeng tumataas lagi. Okay? Siguro exception dyan yung stock market ni Manny Villar, yung Bria Holdings. No? Way back, many years ago, marami naging milyonaryo doon. No? Grabe, pero may technique doon guys ha, may internal technique yun. Sabihin ko sa inyo, PM nyo ako. May ginawa sila doon para tumaas ng tumaas yun. Okay? That's at least as far as I know. Pero here, it cannot always go up and up. So pag nakakita kayo punta kayo dun sa cellphone ninyo, lagay niyo yung RSI, dapat 30 siya, no? RSI 30. Tanggalin niyo na yung other readings. Tanggalin niyo na yung 6, 15, and 24 yata. Just put RSI 30 and RSI 14. That's it. Okay? Pag yung RSI 30 sa daily, naka-above 80 na, and then RSI weekly above 80, huwag ka na pumasok. Okay, huwag ka na mag-iwan ng pera because couple of days bababa yan. Look at what happened here, guys. 1, 2, bumaba siya, di ba? Right? Bumaba na yung RSI. Then, nagbi-build na naman siya ng momentum. Then, akit na naman siya. Right? Same story here. Bababa na naman yan. Right? Ganun ang parabolic play because there's a parabolic rise. Okay, sulat natin. There is a parabolic rise na tinatawag. Okay, ang rule natin dyan, 71, for me, this is my opinion, no? 71 to 78 daily and weekly is lower than 80. Okay? Yan ang rule natin dyan. Parabolic rise yan. Kasi sinabi kong parabolic play, parabolic day trading, parabolic scalping, ayan ang gagawin nyo, ha? Okay? Ngayon, ano ang parabolic burst? Okay? Parabolic burst. So, let's look at another text. Yan. Parabolic burst. Extreme. Gagawin nyo dyan, sell on site. Or do not enter. Okay? So, ayan is above 80, RSI ng 30, RSI 30, and then above 80 ng RSI 30 daily and weekly. Ayan ang parabolic burst. Bababa yan. It would always go down. Trust me. Okay? So pag kayo magde-day trade or mag-scalping kayo, that's what you need to look for. Of course, marami pa yung strategy, no? Look at my videos, no? Tinuturo natin yan sa mga videos natin like bullish crossover ng MACD, ang ating effective na Halmachi, no? Comment naman dyan sa mga nag-benefit na sa Halmachi sa comment section para makita ko naman nagbe-benefit kayo, no? So, thank you sa mga nagpo-post, sa dami nyo nag-message sa akin, nagpapasalamat. And because of that, no, before ko sagutin yung mga other questions, guys, i-promote ko lang ito, no. Ginawan ko na to ng system, no, para makita lang ninyo ng maayos, okay? I-promote ko lang to sa inyo because this is really important. Marami tayong bagong members. At sabi ko nga, pag bagong members, mahalin natin. Okay? Mahalin natin itong mga bagong members. And kasi po, sabi ko sa sarili ko, ang dami na nagme-message sa akin, paano ko ba magiging template na lang yung sagot? They're asking me, so, Coach, bayaran na lang kita, turuan mo na lang ako one by one. Coach, sige na, I mean, may mga ganun po. And sabi ko nga po, hindi po, I don't wanna accept any payment. I'm giving it to you for free. Pero meron po kasi mga tao na visual learners. They wanted to see everything in one page, na visual sila. So, gumawa tayo ng ganitong system na kailangan yung malaman. So, when you message me, ito bibigay ko sa inyong sagot. You know? Alright, so start kayo sa 1.5 hours every Saturday. Aralin nyo, meron na tayong video on the first 3. Okay, first 3 may video na tayo dyan. Okay? And then, meron na tayong upcoming courses, no? Kung talagang, ito guys, to be honest with you, itong 201 and 204, this is really an expensive course. Okay? Actually, itong buong 8 course na to, sobrang expensive because talagang from zero to something to eh. From walang alam talaga into someone who could already trade, no? So pag tinututukan nyo yan, that's gonna be given to you for free. Every week nasa playlist ko yan. Pagkatapos nyan, punta naman kayo dun sa Binance playlist, no? Meron doon, unang-una yung top 10 mistakes ng beginners. Aralin nyo yan, okay? Gumawa tayo ng how to create your account in Binance, how to deposit money, how to set up mobile, actual buy and sell walkthrough para makita ninyo. Meron akong stop limit versions dyan. Binance Flexible Savings, how to stake your currency. And that would further, I will further add into that. Basta antayin nyo lang yung videos natin. Just look at my channel, no? And then I also talked about Safe Moon and NFT art. Nag-buy walkthrough tayo dyan from Binance to Trust Wallet, okay? Okay, pag intermediate playlist, you have already basic knowledge, no? Pero you still need more knowledge on indicators. So meron tayong candlesticks reading. Nagawa pa lang ako ng part 2 niyan sa mga nagsabing putol siya, pasensya na po. And then price action strategy, and then RSI and MACD. Marami pong natutuwa sa video na to. Puntahan niyo po 'yan because in-explain ko po diyan ng sobrang simple yung RSI and MACD. So kung if you're still struggling dun sa sinabi ko kanina na itong RSI na to, puntahan po niyo itong video ko sa aking intermediate playlist, RSI and MACD tutorial. Mga 1 hour pong tutok yan, RSI and MACD lang. Okay? And then live charting po using our RSI Halmachi and breakout. So, and then pag advanced user, napunta kayo sa trading, sa futures, meron tayong pinakatang live, no? Simulan nyo sa how to trade futures, yung mga basic terms meron dyan. Tapos, how did I trade futures using scalping? Tapos, yung number 3, mahalaga din, no? Mind setting before ka mag-futures trade. Kailangan to, ano yung 6 rules ko before you trade because I was able to get 100% win rates of futures based on that 6 rules, no? And then, parabolic scalping, setting up price action. Itong setting up price action, this is for day traders. Okay? Kailangan niyo po makita yan. Okay? Alright. And then, paalala sa journey ninyo, attend lang ng mga live updates natin like this, no? Para ma-follow up yung mga questions ninyo. And then, join our trading community, our FB group, and then our Discord channel. And as I've said, everything that I give here is for free. I don't charge anything. Marami na po nagsabi na effective ang system. Pero I still will continue to look ways to improve our learning path. So of course, it's not always going to be perfect, no? But if it is, then just please feel free to share lang sa inyong Facebook or sa Facebook groups natin. Marami nang gumagawa niyan sa ating Facebook groups today. They're actually sharing their wins, no? At ang lagi kong reply, laging reply ni Coach Miranda Miner, guys? You need to journal your wins. Kailangan maulit lagi yung behaviors na yan, okay? And of course, please feel free to share it to your friends, okay? Or let's quickly go now to the questions pa. Okay, can I use market coach instead of stop limit when scalping? Yes. Good question. Use your market. Use your market for scalping because mahirap pag nagsa-stop limit ka pa. Okay, good. All right, nalilito ako sa Halmachi pero kaya ko 'yan. Yes. Kaya mo 'yan. Ano pong gamit niyong miner? Nice hash po. Ang algorithm ko po is Dagger Hashimoto. I'm mining Ethereum, I'm being paid BTC. Should I hodl with all my Shiba coins? Meron po tayong Shiba video. Watch nyo po yan. Andun po yung sagot. Okay? Watch nyo po yun. Andun po yung mga fundamentals niyan. Okay. Let's try to quickly lang ha. Okay, try ko po sanang bigyan ng biglang bumaba yung naipit daw siya. Okay, Halmachi solid. Yes. Thank you, Hatred and Mark 20. RSI MACD solid. Thank you, Charles. Mismo coach, mahalin ang mga baguhan ang pagtawanan dahil wag pagtawanan dahil doon din tayo nanggaling. Correct. Mike, BB50, correct, agree. Na-save ko na po yung learning path and follow ko po from start here. Erase ko po lahat ng previous learnings and start from zero. Wow, 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 wow. Thank you po. Okay. Let's try to do one more time. Okay, let's do wala na pang tanong sa charting. Okay. Na-late po pa nood po ng webinar, RSI 30 for higher time frame, RSI 14. Yes, that's a very good point. RSI 30 for higher time frame, RSI. Okay. Meron akong pinadalang sagot, meron akong template sa sagot na yan. Pakita ko sa inyo yung templates ko, no? Ayan, para makita na ninyo. Ayan. Okay. Rule of templates natin. Rule of templates natin. Ito, pakita ko sa inyo ha. Kapag time frame pang scalping, 1 to 3 minutes, lakihan natin yan. Let's go on format. Go for fonts. Let's go for bigger. Wait lang guys. Ayan. So rule of time frames, para hindi kayo malito. Okay? Rule of time frames, pag nagsascalp kayo, time frame is 1 minute and 3 minutes. Indicators ninyo, RSI 14, minimum of 10. RSI, EMA 5 is lowest, highest is EMA 10. ALMA 20, MACD default always, no? Tapos use price action pattern setup. Pag nag-execute kayo, use breakout plays, use Fibonacci, and use parabolic scalping technique. Okay, si-save natin to, padala ko sa inyo. Rule of time frames. Okay. Okay, paaral yan. Send ko sa inyo. Just, or screenshot from your phone, no? And then, pag day trading, time frame nyo 15 to 2 hours preferred. Indicators is RSI 30, not 14, ha? RSI 30, preferably. Kapag nagde-day trading, use on 1 hour TF and above. Okay? Okay? Okay, got it? And then, use MACD default, wag nang galawin. Bollinger Band 50. Execution, use breakout plays. Look for bullish above 50, BB50 na coins. And then, use MACD bullish crossovers and use parabolic positioning. Yan ang mga pwede nyong gawin na rule of time frames. Okay? Okay, send natin yan mamaya. Okay? Yung Fibonacci po ba yan yung negative 100 entry? Yes. Dapat po ang inyong ang inyong EMA is close sa mga baguhan. Mike, more power to you. Thank you po. Thank you, thank you. BB50, yes. Kudos kay Boss Spyfrat, no? Siya nagturo sa atin sa mga matatagal ng traders ng BB50. Okay. All right. Okay, wala pong face reveal, coach. Pag naging 10,000 na po tayo, guys, 7,000 subscribers na tayo. Pag naging 10,000, 7,000 na. Pag naging 10,000, I will do face reveal na. Yan. So, share nyo po para dumami na po ang ating mga subscribers para mag-face reveal na si Coach. Yan. Kailan din po kayo magturo ng Haikinashi? Oh, si Haikinashi po, candle lang po yan ha. So, look at this candle. Okay, click nyo po ito. Tapos, click nyo lang po si Haikinashi. Yun po yun. Of course, ang challenge lang dyan, pag kayo talagang experienced traders na, although may paraan kasi yun, no? Pag very experienced traders na kayo, kasi may challenge on backtesting Haikinashi, pero mayroong technique yan. Okay, may technique yan. Medyo, okay, let's go with, kailan din, coach, pag day trade, Fibonacci din. No, Fibonacci is scalping ha. Okay, Fibonacci is scalping. Gamitin nyo itong parabolic strategy na tinuro ko. Okay. Tapos, kunyari, okay, I'll teach you one more technique pag nagde-day trade, no? Okay, so I already taught the parabolic, ha? Okay, parabolic day trade, ha? Okay, in terms of day, no? Hanap tayo ng entry for day trading, no? Let's go on 1 hour. Okay. So, gawin natin to, ha? So, let's go on MACD indicator. Okay, let's go first with MACD. Okay, nag-aano ako, ha? Nag-aano ako guys ha, what's this? I'm actually doing a scanning right now. No, kunyari, bago pa lang, no? Nag-scan pa lang ako, maghahanap ako ng coins to trade within the day, no? So punta muna ako sa mga watchlist ko like Dodge, let's say, or Ethereum or XRP. I will do my watchlist. Ang baba na ng XRP, 1.27 na. Okay, good entry to siguro. Okay. Naka 1 hour ako, I'm gonna be doing day trading, no? So, ang rule number 1 ko, I will remove muna si RSI. I will include si MACD. Favorite natin. Okay. MACD, okay? And then, let's do day trading to, guys, ha? Let's do a indicator. Let's go on RSI. I will go on RSI 30. 1 hour tayo. Okay. Okay. Alright. Paano ko papasok dito? Okay? So, unang-una, ang gagawin ko, mag-aabang ako ng perfect positioning ni MACD. Okay? So, ang perfect positioning ni MACD, okay, number 1, okay, rule of thumb, follow nyo to ha, for day traders ha. Okay, day traders. Yan. Day traders. Okay, rule number 1, MACD bullish crossover in 1 hour time frame. Okay? Number 2, channel breakout. Number 3, normal RSI. Yan muna ang tatlo, okay? Tandaan niyo yan. Okay, i-plot natin yan. Okay, plot natin. Okay, good. Alright. So, type yes kung na-follow ha. Okay. So, in this case, si MACD nag-crossover, correct? Okay, crossover siya. Okay, bullish crossover, okay? Nabangan niyo yan. Okay, number 2. Si RSI healthy, correct? Healthy siya within the, hindi siya overbought or hindi siya parabolic in the parabolic territory, okay? And then let's go on normal pa siya dyan. And then let's look on the channel breakout na sinabi natin, okay? All right, channel breakout tayo. Number 1, do parallel channel. Yan. Imagine ninyo na itong buong part na to, wala pa. Okay, wala pa. Imagine niyo ha. Wala pa yan. Okay, coach, wala pa yan. Okay, promise, wala pa yan. Yan. Ito pa lang. Ito pa lang, no? Okay. Ito pa lang yung nakikita ninyo. Lakihan natin. Let's make this bigger. Yan. Okay. Ayan pa lang, di ba? Ito pa lang. Nag-break over. Ang oras mo is alas 10 ng gabi ng May 4. Okay? Nag-crossover. Okay. Naghalikan ba yung MACD? Yes or no? Yes, naghalikan. Okay ba si RSI 30? Yes, okay ba siya? Okay, nandito na yung candle, no? Okay, naghalikan na. Okay, should I enter here? Hindi pa, breakout pa lang eh. Should I enter here? Doji candle pwede. Nag-breakout na siya, pwede ka nang pumasok dito. Okay, tandaan mo naka 1 hour per candle ka ha, magde-day trade ka ha, so hindi mo pwedeng kunin yan ng 15 minutes. Huwag kang bababa ng 15 minutes, maiinis ka kasi pwedeng itong candle na to, ang katumbas yan, 4 na 15-minute candle. So, antayin mo siya, magdi-day trade ka. Diba? So, naghalikan si MACD, nag-breakout sa channel, and then RSI is normal, pasok. Okay? That's how you day trade. Okay? And then, pag day trading, in how many hours you take profit? Diba? Okay, you take profit na. When you started, look at your price range. From here, started ka to here, that's already almost, ilang percent yan? Almost 13%. Diba? So, nasunod ba yung rules natin, guys? Type yes. Sa baba, nasunod ba? Number 1, MACD bullish crossover. Default, yes. Channel breakout, yes. Normal RSI, yes. Yan po ang isang strategy to day trade. Okay? 1 hour day trading ang time frame, nasunod ang 3 conditions. And wag po kayong papasok kung isa lang ang condition na na-meet. Wag kayong papasok. May tinatawag tayong word na, tatandaan nyo to, word na confluence. Okay, confluence. Malalim, no? Pero in Tagalog, ibig sabihin lang yan, nag-agree yung 3 indicators mo. Yung tatlong parameters mo. At tandaan nyo laging word na confluence from Coach Miranda, okay? Kailangan 3 or more. Minimum na yung 2 before kayo pumasok. Okay, when to exit naman? When to exit, no? Ganun din, babaliktarin lang natin. Baliktarin natin, ha? Okay, baliktarin natin, okay. I will make sure I screenshot this first para meron tayong sample. Okay. Magtanong kayo, screenshotan ko na lang, padala ko sa inyo. Okay. Okay, let's go on the kabaligtaran. Confluence pa din, okay? Pero, babaliktarin na natin to. This is for buy. Signal. Okay. And then we will go on sell signal. Let's go insert text. Okay. Here. Sell signal. Number 1, MACD. Bearish crossover. RSI healthy to almost abnormal. And then 3, channel breakout. Ganun pa din. Okay, sell signal yan. So, i-plot natin yan dito. Saan ako magsisell dito? Okay. Okay, tanggalin. Si RSI, almost mag-abnormal na siya, no? Pero sa mga buy high, sell higher, maganda pa yan, no? But for the purposes of this, let's remove RSI first kasi okay na tayo dyan. Para makita nyo yung chart, ang gagawin ninyo, kapag si blue line humalik sa red line, that's already pababa ha, that's already a bearish crossover. Okay? Crossover yan ha. Okay, that's good. That's number 1. Okay na si RSI, na-meet din niya 'yon. Ito ngayon tayo papasok. Paano natin makikita 'yan? Okay, lakihan natin ha. Tanggalin ko muna 'tong profit na 'to. Okay, lakihan natin 'to ng konting-konti lang. Okay, 'yan. Okay. Alright guys, 'di ba naghalikan siya sa pababa, 'di ba? So paano mo malalaman mag-e-exit ka na? Okay, you need to go parallel chart again, parallel chart. Let's go on parallel charting and then click on the highest wick. Okay, tapos chart mo yun ng ganyan. Yung pinaka-ilalim niya ha. Okay. Tapos iangat natin tong chart na to. Saan? Okay. Pababa. Yan. Okay. Following so far guys? Make sense? Yan. Tapos, okay. Naghalikan to, di ba? Halik. Boom. Tapos, nag-red candle, no? Confirming red na. Look at what have happened with this trend. Bumaba na siya, di ba? Tapos, ganoon na naman. Pasok na naman kayo sa, ito kasi, medyo, hindi ka kailangan pumasok kahit naghalikan yan. Why? Why? Because, hindi naman siya nag-breakout eh. Naka-sideways na siya, oh. Di ba? Make sense, guys? Sideways na siya. So, ang rule natin is, ano rule natin, guys? Our rule is, for selling signal, for buy signal, day traders, MACD bullish crossover in 1 hour time frame, channel breakout in normal RSI. Guys, marami pang strategy. I could even put a Fibonacci reading here, no? Pero I'm teaching you the easiest way to understand, okay? So kung meron kayong alam na strategy, feel free to share, but I'm just teaching the beginners ano yung easiest to spot, no? Ano yung mga easiest MACD and RSI combination. Pag nag-sell kayo, the same drill. Ganun lang din. Okay? I hope you learned guys something today. Let's look at the other questions. Okay, saan ilalagay ang stop limit? Okay, kapag kayo kunyari nag-buy kayo on this one. Nag-buy kayo dito, 'di ba? Sa breakout na to, 'di ba? Nag-buy kayo so let's say nag-buy kayo sa 1.42. Okay? So gagawin ninyo, okay, lakihan natin. Tanggalin ko muna tong mga MACD na to ha. Okay, gawin nating stop limit. Okay. Kapag kayo is chart, click on your long position. Click nyo tong long position. Okay. From here, chart nyo pataas. Yan. Okay. Tapos, kailangan yung risk-reward ratio nyo 2.0. Okay. Sa spot trading to ha. Sakit natin to. Sakit ko yan. Gagawin natin 2. Sobrang taas naman ng profit. 7.43 yung gusto mo. Agad, babaan lang natin. Kunyari, gusto mo na ng 3%. Masaya ka na doon. 3%. Yan. 3%. Mag-auto-compute yan guys ha. Let's say 4%. Yan, 4%. Tapos, syempre, kailangan mo ng risk-reward ratio of 2. Diba? Pero since breakout play ka, tatlo na yung meron ka ng high conviction na itong sales na to, is itong profitable tong trade na to, okay, lagyan mo lang siya ng around 5%, around 5% na stop loss. Okay, 5%. Malayo nyo nang mahahagip yan. Kasi pag malakas ang conviction mo, kahit hindi mo na siya talaga lagyan ng stop loss. Magsa-stop loss ka lang talaga kapag very volatile, no? Or talagang sanay na sanay ka na, no? Pero bilang beginner, lagyan mo ng stop loss, lagyan mo ng 5%, 4.75, yan, lagyan mo yan. Tapos, ang take profit mo dyan, taasan mo. Kailangan gawin mo siyang 2.0 na risk-reward ratio. Kaya naman niya eh. Yan, tinan mo. 1.98. Kumita ka na ng 9.4%. Ang iyong stop loss is 4.75. So, ang risk-reward mo is almost 2.0. Okay? Gagawin niyo yung strategy niya na always click on this chart tapos long position. Pag nasa-short kayo, baliktad naman yun when you're shorting. Okay? Alright. Coach, sa current chart po, may gamit po din bang dyan si BB? Pwede din. Pwede rin siyang gamitin. Another charting na lang po natin gawin yon. Coach, saan po malaman if hanggang saan yung itaas ng break? Via Fibonacci po ba? Pwede. Parang maraming may gustong ng Fibonacci dito. Okay. Not everyone has Fibonacci ha. So, not everyone has Fibonacci. So, ituturo ko na lang to next time, no? When you do Fibonacci. Pero, basically, ang pinaka-golden ratio ng Fibonacci, hindi ko muna ipa-plot. Pero normally, when you guys plot Fibonacci, guys, ito yung pinaka-dulo, diba? Okay? pinakadulo ng wick up until let's say hanggang siyempre atras ka muna, 'di ba? Kasi titingnan mo muna yung pinakamatatandang resistance. 'Di ba, tinuro ko na sa inyo 'yan, 'di ba? So kunyari ang pinakamatandang resistance mo is 1.96, 'di ba? 1.96. So, here papasok ka dito 1.67, 1.96. So gagawa mo siya ng Fibonacci. Sa pinakailalim nito, okay, pataas, okay? Tapos hahanapin mo yung 0.618 na golden ratio. Ayoko nang malito kayo because we're down to 1 minute, pero hanapin niyo yung 0.618 ratio. Dun lang yung pinakalaging support line niya pag magba-bounce, no? 0.618 ratio natin. Pero for the purposes of the beginners, what I just want you to make sure to understand at this particular lecture muna is we do the buy signal and sell signal muna. Okay? And then guys, pag meron kayong Investagrams, walang Fibonacci by default yun ha. This is being bought. Okay? Binibili itong Fibonacci na to. And then kung meron kayong trading view, I think meron siya. Pag meron kayong I don't think Binance has Fibonacci's today. Okay? Ang Fibonacci in layman's term, ito ay mathematical principle na inimbento of course ng Fibonacci author na sinasabi niya na ang retracement ng isang chart or ng isang coin or ng isang stock, meron siya laging identified retracements na tinatawag or pwedeng pullback in short, no? Magba-bounce lang siya. Ano yung mga support lines na pwede siya mag-bounce? At normally ginagamit yun ng mga traders kung saan pwedeng pumasok. Anong pinaka inaalagaan nilang ratio kung saan sila papasok, no? But for the purposes of this, no, tinuro ko din kasi yung Darvas boxes, tinuro ko din yun. At least, ang pinaka-safe rule lagi guys, natatandaan nyo lagi is kailangan you need to do the trading within a box. No? Within a box. Ang breakout trades na tinatawag, dyan kayo, when you do scalping, you do within the box. Okay? Yan, within sa loob niyan. Okay? Kapag nagde-day trades kayo, kailangan breakout sa mga boxes kasi may panahon kayong mag-antay. Ang scalping kasi ilang candles lang, take profit ka na. Okay? Okay. Alright. Coach, pwede mo ba pakita maglagay ng parallel channel sa hindi past candles? Okay. Past candles. Okay, tingnan natin. Okay. Ayan. So, lagyan natin to, diba? Okay. So, this one is going to be, this is going downward. So, 1 hour yan, diba? 1 hour. This is going to be parallel channel. This one. Okay. I did not use this one, no? I only use this one. Pwede rin siya gawin mong ganyan. Okay. Tapos mag-i-extend ka pa doon. Yan. Extend ka. Ayan. So, ito, breakout na to. Diba? So, malamang bababa na yan. Pero ang rule of thumb natin is, kailangan mo ng isa pang confirmatory candle. Confirmatory rule, diba? Sorry, hindi ko nakita tong isang paa niya. Baba pa natin. Dito yan. Sorry. Hindi ko nakita yung paa niya. Okay. Ayan. So, yan ang pinaka-latest mo. Diba? So, ang gagawin mo dyan, pag ganyan ang latest mong candle, okay lang natin ng konti. Ganyang candle, baba ka sa lower time frame, gawa ka ng 30 minutes yan. Sa loob pa din yan ng ng box mag-iipon yan. Kahit gawin mo 15 minutes yan, nasa loob pa din yan ng box. Yan, okay. Ang rule mo dyan, kailangan hindi mabasag yung channel niya. Okay, yung pinaka-channel, nagsisimula na siya, oh. 'Di ba? Tapos lagyan mo siya ng MACD, tinuro ko kanina, MACD. Yan, MACD. Ayan, pababa, oh, nag-kiss na pababa. Ayan na, bumaba na siya. Okay? Tapos lagyan mo siya ng RSI. Yan. Lagyan mo siya niyan, yan. Oversold na. Pero huwag kang magpakampante dyan sa oversold na yan, okay? Kasi kailangan tumaas muna si MACD before ka pumasok. Kunyari, yan na yan, di ba? Huwag ka muna pumasok sa XRP. Right? Hindi siya pang day trading. Okay, punta ka sa 1 hour. Huwag ka muna pumasok, antayin mo muna siyang tumuro pataas. Okay? Tapos antayin mo munang, okay lang yung si RSI pag ganyan. Tapos kailangan mag-breakout. So, papasok ka dyan. Okay, pag umangat yan, kunyari ito yung pinaka-box mo, channel. Okay, mag-aabang ka, no? So, kailangan ito, mag-breakout niya, ito. Okay. Nakita nyo itong dalawang line na to. Ito, this one. and this one. Nakita niyo yan, yung dalawang, sorry. Yung dalawang resistance, nakita niyo yung dalawang resistance na yan, this one. Let's go with this one. So this resistance, right? This one resistance and this resistance. Tutuloy-tuloy yan pag ganun. Okay? So kailangan niyang mag-break out sa part na to before kayo pumasok. Break out dyan, alright? Or break out and then tumuro itong pataas si MACD if you are day trading. Okay? Pag scalping, masarap ng pasukan yan. Baba ka lang sa 3 minutes. Diba? Nasa loob pa din ng box yan. Tingnan nyo. Nasa loob, diba? Lagyan nyo ng Halmachi. Let's look at the templates. Let's remove all of my templates. Let's put Halmachi. Yan, let's put Halmachi Scalp Master. Let's put this as close. Ayan, o, tingnan mo. Guys, o, di ba Halmachi, pumasok na, o. Di ba? O, Emma crossover kay Alma. Di ba? Tapos nag-crossover dito. Dito mas na yan, o. Ilang candle yan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. O. Meron ka ng 6 candles. O. That's gonna be good for scalping. Okay? Okay, guys, ang dami yung learning today, ha? Okay? So, if you're a day trader, I hope you learned kanina yung 3 rules natin how to buy and how to sell. And then, pwede mo rin gamitin yon when how to use the channel breakouts actual sa live o sa pinaka-recent na candle. If you learned something today, please type hashtag Miranda Miner. Thank you. Pasuyo na lang po. And then, please share our video. Itong live na to naka-recorded. Recorded po itong live na to. Feel free to share this to your friends. Greetings sa ating mga kaibigan, no? Pinangako ko to kanina. Greetings kay Nico Gonzalez. Thank you for being here. And sa lahat ng mga friends natin. Shena, natulog na yata kasi alas 3 na sa California today. If you learned something today, please share our YouTube channel sa mga friends. And guys, reminder from Coach Miranda Miner, always journal your wins, okay? And then, pag matagal na, be respectful and helpful sa mga newbies. Pag newbies, be respectful sa mga may alam, okay? And of course, yung ginawa nating learning path, please make sure na aralin niyo yung learning path na ginawa natin. Okay? Learning Miranda path, okay? And ginawa ko lahat yun sa inyo for free without any bayad, okay? Okay? Maayong banggi sa Indugabo, sa mga taga Bicol, maray na kadalang kamungunyan. Sana masiramang sira nindong ngayong banggi. Di ko pa aram kung anong sira mingon yan. So, but I'm excited because nagugutom na ako. You know, and guys, thank you so much sa inyong support. No? More power and stay tuned. Gawin nyo na akong daily news updates ninyo. I have a daily live already na maririnig nyo sa aking channel. Stay tuned ang mga live natin every day. And another, i-plug in ko na din, no? I have made another video for upload mamayang alas 6. We created a video on Cardano. Bakit ko pinili si Cardano na coin pick? Okay, why did I pick ADA as my coin? One of my coin picks this May 2021. So, something for you guys to look forward to. Mamayang actually alas 6 na. So, please look forward for that video. And guys, again, thank you so much for all that your help. And Coach Miranda Miner loves all of you. Thank you so much. Bye for now.